14 miles an hour, gusting to 21 miles an hour. Augusta, it was fair, 59 degrees, wind northwest at 8 miles an hour. St. Simon's Island, it was fair, 61 degrees, wind north at 6 miles an hour. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Atlanta listening area. For more detailed weather, water, and climate information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta. What? Temperatures as low as 34 will result in frost formation. Where? Portions of north and central Georgia. When? From 10 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impact. Frost could kill sensitive outdoor vegetation if left uncovered. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north and central Georgia and portions of far northeast Georgia tonight. Temperatures are expected to fall to around 30 degrees. A frost advisory has been issued for the remainder of the outlook area. Temperatures in the middle 30s, combined with clear skies and light winds, could lead to areas of frost. And now the extended outlook for the Tuesday through Sunday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. For this evening. 10 p.m. November 2nd.
One more.
What?
Yeah.
59 degrees occurred at 3:22 p.m.
Ouch. My
The normal
hurts.
high is 68. The record high is 84 degrees, which was set in 1961. Today's low temperature of 38 degrees occurred at 7:31 a.m. The record low is 26 degrees, which was set in 1954. No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at a trace. This is 0.23 inches below the normal amount of 0.23 inches for November. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 61.77 inches, which is 19.83 inches above normal. There were 16 heating degree days today. This brings the monthly total to 20. The yearly total since July 1st is 77. There were no cooling degree days today. This leaves the monthly total at 0. The yearly total since January 1st is 2,078. Sunset tonight is at 5:44 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:59 a.m. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KEC 80. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Peachtree City. The KEC 80 listening area includes the following counties: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. Visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta for the latest weather information, including watches and warnings. You can also like your Peachtree City National Weather Service on Facebook or follow NWS Atlanta on Twitter.